Lining adjusts the track laterally. The Mark IV uses a three-point lining system that utilizes the same principles of operation as the surfacing Delta system, with the main difference being that the system components are laying on their side. The liner system projects an infrared beam from the front of the machine, past a liner shadow board near the clamp frame, into a liner receiver on the trailing receiver buggy. Remember, when surfacing track with the Delta leveling system, the track has only one way to move: up. When lining track, the system can adjust the track in two directions, left or right. Each lining station must have its components installed on the same side of the machine. In a curve, the lining projector, shadow board, and receiver must all be placed on the low rail, the grade rail of the curve. The reference wheels are held tight against the opposite line rail. As the liner components move over the unaligned track, an infrared beam is projected. When the infrared beam from the projector is seen by the receiver photocell, the beam light indicator inside the cab will be illuminated. The track and liner shadow board are moved until the outside edge of the shadow board blocks any further light from seeing the receiver photocell. At this point, the beam indicator light turns off and lining stops. When the infrared beam is not seen by the receiver photocell, track will be moved away from the beam until the receiver photocell sees the beam. It then moves until it cuts the beam off. The beam indicator light then turns off and lining stops.